Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick and honest user experience about this platform, and the link to the platform is in the video, so you can check it yourself to access the platform. So let's get started. StartGlobal stand out because they target non-US residents who want to form a US based LLC or corporation. The sign up and onboarding process was smooth with a lot of hand holding. They also have a really specialized in making a complex process feel easy. The dashboard is clean, modern, and they proactively remind you about tax deadlines and compliance tasks. Their pricing is premium compared to domestic only services, but their peace of mind and support is worth it. If you are setting up from abroad, their customer service was fast and knowledgeable. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform together with the music experience and your music experience. Thanks.